That was great. One more time.
Hey, Marty here. I may have just stumbled upon one of humankind's greatest mysteries. Here to report more on the WNBA Logo Woman mystery. It's me! I am now determined to prove that Sue is Logo Woman. First things first, let's talk to my colleagues about it.
Yeah, that's totally Sue Bird.
Totally.
Oh, that's definitely Sue Bird.
Confident I was onto something, I decided it was time to ask Sue herself. Sue. Do you think I could just talk to you for a minute on the WNBA Logo Woman? At this point, Sue asked us to turn off our cameras. She agreed to continue the interview if we agreed to conceal our identity. We agreed.
Thanks, Marty. There's just a lot of controversy and sensitivity surrounding this topic.
Understood. Totally. So, have you ever been asked about being WNBA Logo Woman?
Not a day in my life has gone by where I'm not asked that, and it's just an uncertainty I've grown to accept. Honestly, I think the truth lies in the ponytail.
I think we got what we came for. The truth lies in the ponytail. The truth lies in the ponytail? The truth lies in the ponytail. Well, nothing conclusive yet, but don't worry, Storm fans, I'm not giving up. Signing off, it's me.